Hey everybody, so I got a new coffee. I don't know if this one is from Waka or Waka, however you want to pronounce it. Now, I have tried their coffee in the past. I purchased this one, and it was a vanilla one. It was okay. I'd give it maybe like a 7 out of 10. Now, this one, they sent over to me to try after I bought that one. So let's go ahead and we'll see how this one is. Now, this is a Papua New Guinea, and this is a medium roast. Inside, you get 50 packets with this one. So instead of like the large bag, like what I just showed you, you get it all in individual bags, and then you can also travel with these as well. Now, instant is mostly when I travel or I just need something really quick. Now, when it comes to instant coffee, I'm very, very selective, and I don't like very many of them. I like my real coffee, and I drink a lot of coffee. Now, I am a very big coffee drinker, so I drink over 10 cups every single day, pretty much. Now, you're gonna add this into 6 to 8 ounces of water, and depending on how strong you like it, will depend on how much water you wanna do. If you want it a little weaker, add the full amount. If you want it stronger, add a little less. And you can always double up, and you can use a couple packets as well. Now, the back side, it also does have instructions. It just lets you know that you pour the crystals into the cup, add the water, stir it, you're ready to go. And I do have my water heating up right now, so we can make some. All right, so if we open it up, you'll see that it is like a powdery crystal, almost like a dirt or like a clumpy clay. Just drop that right into the bottom of your cup. All right, so now we can go ahead and add water to our coffee here. But ultimately, I prefer mine iced. So my opinion on this, I'd probably rate it pretty close to the other one. I'd probably give this about a 7 out of 10. Now you can get a little bit of that instant flavor in there. There's just that distinct flavor that a lot of instant coffees have. It's not quite as strong compared to some of them like the Folgers or a couple others, but it still is there on the back end. The straw is ridiculously huge. Now, if you make it into the iced coffee form, it does taste a lot better compared to with it being hot. That's my personal opinion anyway. But anyway, if you are looking for a pretty quick coffee to use, it's a little bit milder, it's not as acidic. This might be good for you, especially if you travel. You got your little packets, you can take it with you. You can easily put them in your purse, your backpack, or whatever it might be. Anyway, this is the Waka. You can enjoy it hot or cold.